Guys, ayan, dito na naman kami sa chalet. This is our third day na bumalik dito. Sobrang init. Yung mga alaga ako ayun, naligo kasama yung boss ko. What happened to your eyes? Ha? I told you. Kalas na here. Yala. Move here.
Because I go down the water.
Nah, why you go down the water? Oh, super way.